Hey, welcome back to Feral Art. How you doing? It might be a little windy outside today. My hair look like I stuck my finger in an electric socket. It's all right. Maybe I did. This is Feral Art that I took a new class edition. Oh, see that beautiful painting right there? My friend Sue from SJ Pouring Color painted that at the Parage Posse Beach Retreat that I just got back from. And I'm going to be trying that technique here in a little bit too. I might have it hanging wrong, I'm not sure. But I really like it. I think it's beautiful and ethereal and wispy. So today we're not doing that though. I was visiting with my friend Tracy from Perfection Art by Tracy. We were at the retreat together, and then I ran her home, and I spent a couple of days there. And while I was there, we discovered that Olga Soby put out a new class. And we both we were really interested in learning how she mixes her paint and her pouring medium and things. So we took the class, both of us did. And we are both affiliates. And so I will put the link and a 10% discount code in my description box. So today, I'm giving it a shot. I got everything mixed up just like I was instructed. And I will share my colors with you. I have Golden Prussian Blue, Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta, Amsterdam Titanium White, Liquitex Basic Deep Green Permanent, Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. I mean, come on. Amsterdam Phthalo Blue, which I had to decant into this little bowl because it exploded in transit. And this little piggy in Flamingo. I'm very excited about these. So this is, like I said, this is new for me. So we'll see how it goes. Let's get down on the canvas and get going. There we go. Woo. Got a little Drew Barrymore dryer. I'm ready to go, man. So we're going to use the Prussian for our base coat. I would do one of those hidden word of the day things, but my brain is stalled. So I'm just gonna, not. I did drip test these. Hopefully I am somewhere near right. We shall see. I don't know. I tried. Anytime you do something new, it's like, we shall see. These paints are thin. If you want to know how to mix them, you have to take the class. There's a non-disclosure agreement, so we can't be sharing stuff out of school, which I totally understand. Cool, whatever. So here we go. Blow, blow. This class is so very informative. Olga Soby really did not hold back on this. She shared stuff, man. I'm just gonna do some stuff. I'm very excited about flamingo. Very, very. Okay, I think we can all agree that I am no Olga Soby. Well, you know. got some cells. I did not get as many as I thought I would. However, I think this is just going to be one of those it takes practice things, and I am okay with that. I am certainly okay with that. So let me clean things up and I'll bring you over for a little looky-loo. Here are the wet results of my first try at the Olga Soby recipe and blowout. Not perfect. Pretty cool though. This was on a 14 by 18 level 2 ultra smooth canvas. I think I forgot to mention that at the beginning, but anyway. Here we have a few little cells. I think I may have ultimately screwed up my layering, but I think it's pretty. I like the colors a lot. I have some leftovers. Sorry about the glare, as always. One of these days I'll figure that out. Maybe. But the gold is really solid. Here's my ginkgo leaf. I think it's going to be really pretty when it dries. So here we have the dry results of my Olga Soby special. I still need to do a little more testing and a little more refining, but this thing turned out really pretty. There's a lot of neat stuff going on here. I kind of got impatient and quit testing before I should have, but the paint is a really nice consistency. It's very thin, which is what you need for blowing out. So if you're interested in taking the Olga Soby course, I cannot speak today. There is a link or a code. There's a code in my description box that'll save you 10%. I would highly suggest it if you have trouble with your paints or if you have trouble with your consistency. This thing, look at this. Yes. It's just a really good tool to have in your toolkit, I think. But I'm going to be working with this some more, refining, testing more, as I should. And I just really am digging it. So, thank you so much for watching and all your shares and likes and subscribes. As I said, the Olga Soby code is in my description box. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.